Lumin has released their latest network player. Now, this is their T3. It's just announced today. Definitely a premium network player that is going to have a very solid aluminium construction. So we'll have the company's X1 tech inside. There is also a very good new processing hardware and software that will promise at least improved features, better resampling flexibility, and it's going to be an improvement on their previous T2 model. So let's go over some of the obvious specification that should be impressing audiophiles when they do get their hands on it. Now, the key hardware features will be the fact that it's going to come with dual ESS 9028 Pro Saber DAC chips here. They will also be featuring a dual mono operation with support for upsampling and downsampling of any frequency from DSD256, and even supports PCM as well. So it's definitely really top quality. You will have the ability to process lossless audio and also high-res audio. It's really premium, like you would imagine it to be, because it's the one that's not even that cheap. There are analog outputs that are coming with it. You get unbalanced RCA and balanced XLR outputs here. It's really rigid, well made, aluminium build. So longevity is something you can easily expect with this model. It won't have issues working for anybody. The other thing again is that the look is really pretty. It has a very beautiful look as well to it, and that is the main thing. In terms of pricing, you're gonna pay 4,200 euros. 4,200 euros is the price tag. So all the details will be in the description if you want to check it out. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.